Okay, folks, my distillation of my Pepsi is done. I had a little trouble with the video. I don't know if it's going to show up, but I used 200 mils of this Pepsi. This is the first household mixture I used, and we did a process called distillation, in which we use we separate the components of this mixture of the drink. And what we did is we poured 200 mils into a graduated cylinder here, and I poured it into a hot plate, which is located in the back here. My hot plate connected to an outlet, which supplies the power, and I have AC tubing with some tinfoil attached. And what happens is after I pour my Pepsi into the hot plate, I put the tubing with the tinfoil over it, and I turn on the hot plate and heat it up, and some of the ingredients heat up, and the ones with the lower boiling points will boil quicker and pass through the tubing. I then place a flask here, which you can see has some liquid in it. I place the flask on this side of the tubing and cover it with tin foil and place some ice on top and ice underneath the apparatus. And again, the ice condenses the gaseous liquid, the ingredient that has formed a gas. It condenses it back to a liquid, and then it drops into the my catching container. And this is again, you can see it started out as Pepsi, which is a dark liquid here, dark free-flowing liquid. And what I caught after my distillation is right here in this glass. You can see it's clear and colorless, and this is a see-through transparent liquid. And we're going to take and measure the amount of liquid that we captured using my graduated cylinder. Liquid is just below the 30 mark, in between the 20 and 30 mark. Um, so I'm going to call it about 28 mils. We captured about 28 mils of liquid from the distillation of Pepsi. We're going to do another liquid here. We are going to um, do cranberry juice. This is our second mixture. And again, the free-flowing liquid, you can see it's dark in color. Has many ingredients in here, and what we're going to do is try to separate the ingredients in this mixture through a process of distillation. What I'm going to do is pour 200 mils into my volumetric flask. And hopefully you can see that. We're just above the 190 mark. And that's 200 mils of cranberry juice. And what I'm going to do is pour this in to the hot plate. Cover up my hot plate and put my rubber band around it. And I'm going to dry my catching apparatus, dry it out with a paper towel. And again, we will hold up here. The container now will catch the ingredients that are boiled off from the cranberry juice. I'll turn on my power and cover up the tube. and it'll take about 10 or 15 minutes. And we should have, again, some of the ingredients with the lowest boiling points will boil off first and be captured in the container here at the end.